stop struggling with constantly having to take out your AirPods every time someone wants to talk to you. Today, I'll show you how to quickly enable conversation awareness on your AirPods in this complete guide. It's a total game changer. Hi, I'm Anna. If you've ever felt that frustration of pausing your music, fumbling to get an AirPod out, and asking someone to repeat themselves, you are definitely in the right place. It's inconvenient, and it completely breaks your focus. But it doesn't have to be that way. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through not just how to turn this feature on, but also what it is, how it works with other adaptive audio features, and some pro tips to get the most out of it. It's incredibly simple, so let's get started and make your AirPods even smarter. Okay, so what exactly is conversation awareness? It's a brilliant feature Apple introduced for AirPods Pro 2 and newer models. When you start speaking with someone, your AirPods automatically lower the volume of your music or podcast, reduce background noise around you, and enhance the voices of the people right in front of you. You can have a full conversation without ever touching your phone or taking your AirPods out. It's part of a suite of features called adaptive audio, which also includes personalized volume. These features work together to create a seamless listening experience that adapts to your environment in real time. It's perfect for the office, a coffee shop, or even at home when you need to be aware of your family. All right, let's turn it on. The first step is to open your control center. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. If you have an iPhone with a home button, you'll swipe up from the bottom. Now that your control center is open, you should see a volume slider that has a little AirPods icon in it. This is the key. Don't just tap it. You need to press and hold that slider. This will open up a more detailed audio menu. A quick tip: if your AirPods aren't connected, this icon won't appear, so make sure they're in your ears and paired. Perfect. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see a few icons. The one we're looking for is a speech bubble icon with sound waves. It's labeled Conversation Awareness. Just tap it once. You'll see it turn blue, which means the feature is now active. That's it. It's really that simple. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please give this video a quick like. It tells YouTube I'm doing a good job and helps other people find this guide. Okay, back to our pro tips. So now that it's on, what should you watch out for? First, if you don't see the option, make sure you have AirPods Pro 2 or newer, and that your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 17. This feature won't show up on older models or software. Another thing to know is that once the conversation ends, the feature is smart enough to gradually raise your audio volume back to its previous level. And a pro tip: if you're in a situation where you don't want your music to lower, maybe you're singing along loudly, the AirPods might think you started a conversation. If that happens, you can just follow the same steps to quickly turn it off. And here's a little piece of trivia for you. Did you know the tiny black vents on your AirPods aren't just for looks? They are acoustic vents designed to equalize pressure in your ear, which makes wearing them for long periods much more comfortable and improves the bass quality. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. And there you have it. In just a few taps, you've unlocked one of the most convenient features on your AirPods Pro 2. No more wasting time fumbling to get them out of your ears. You now know exactly how to enable conversation awareness and can seamlessly switch between your audio and the world around you. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips to get the most out of your Apple gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other AirPods feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.